guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making a gender reveal cake for a friend that is going to either have a sister or a brother. So this is the way they're going to find out. It's a really fun way too, but yeah. So what you'll need will be flour, buttermilk, baking soda and baking powder, vanilla and almond extract, eggs, and in this bowl I just have granulated sugar and butter at room temperature, just combined in a bowl already. If you guys want to follow along, I'll put the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. So just basically just set it aside all your dry ingredients except for your granulated sugar. You're just going to whisk together in a bowl your flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Now, in a large bowl with an electric mixer with a whisk attachment, you're going to cream together your butter and sugar until it's just light and fluffy. Okay, now you're going to add in your eggs one at a time. Let's see. Okay. Now you're going to add in your vanilla and almond extract. And then whisk that again. Okay, now with your buttermilk and flour mixture, you're going to alternate adding your flour mixture and buttermilk, starting and ending with the flour. Okay, just add a little bits at a time. Okay, so now I have pink and blue food coloring. And let's just bring this more over here. Ooh, that works. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm gonna put one of them in. Yep. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When I found out, I was just like, yay! Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna spray these pans. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting now. Let's see. Oh, I got the butter. Oop. Okay, so let me just spray these pans really quick. Okay, now you're going to put them in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So I've just checked the cakes, and they are perfect. I only had to go 35 minutes. I think they could have gone like 34, 33, but they're, with just being a little squishy, and needing to go about another minute. But this is perfect. So yeah, I'm just working on the buttercream. And if you guys want buttercream, I think you guys do, because you're making a cake, you want buttercream. So I'll put the link in the description down below to watch my other video on vanilla buttercream. But I've also made this simple syrup. It's just sugar and water, and you just heat it up on a saucepan till the sugar dissolves. And then you can just put it on the cakes once you take them out of the pans, or you could do that before, but they have to be chilling for about 5 minutes, and then you can put that on. Don't pour directly. I'll show you guys how to, but yeah, just wait till they cool. Okay, so now I'm not gonna take them out of the pans. Let's see. I'm gonna use a trivet here. Let's see. Okay, now you're just going to let those be and just wait for the cakes to cool. Okay, so now I have filled the buttercream piping bag. I filled the piping bag with buttercream. I filled the buttercream piping bag. Let's see. Let's do this. Oh, I see what I have. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now, so I didn't have to level these cakes. They were like basically perfectly level. Now, I'm just going to take the buttercream and go all the way around. Cake, I just did like a swirl. And now, to start off, I'm just going to use a spatula to start off with the inside. We want tons of buttercream in the middle, so that's not all I'm going to use in here right now. Because we want a lot of buttercream. Okay. Okay, so the cake is all smooth now. It looks very nice. And now it's time to do the drip. Ooh, I think I have to. Yes, so the ones that we bought, you have to microwave it. It's from Sweet Tooth Fairy, and it's just the Sweet Tooth Fairy cake drip. So I'm just going to microwave this for 25 seconds. Be right back. Okay, then you just want to, the cap on, you want to shake it. Okay, This is the very scary part. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna open. Oop. So now, what you're gonna do? This comes out very fast. So you're gonna take it and you're just going to do one drip and another. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do 5 of a color, and then go around. So, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Since we have this beautiful cake, we want to add some pearls and a border. So what we're gonna do, I think I'm just gonna like do these two and like okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.